Let's talk about something that's very important and often neglected, and that's backups. Backing up your data is essential for both your personal and business life, and losing critical information can be devastating. To ensure your data's safety, let's explore the 3-step rule for effective backups. Having an original copy, a separate copy, and an offsite copy. In the reference documents, I outline what should be backed up for your business. Okay, first things first. Your original copy of your data is like the digital source of truth. It's those files in your computer, your important documents like taxes or receipts, or other essential data. Basically, this is where all your data originates. It's like the heart of your digital life. Now step 2, creating a separate copy. You've got to make sure this copy is isolated from the original. So if anything happens to the original, you've got a backup. You can do this by storing your data on an external hard drive, a flash drive, or even a network-attached storage, which we'll call NAS for short. A NAS might be a bit pricier, but it's got some serious advantages like scalability and less prone to data loss. Imagine a NAS as a super smart centralized box with multiple hard drives that can protect your data even if one of them decides to call it quits. If one drive fails, the other steps in and rebuilds the lost data. It's no loss of precious information. Step 3 is where we talk about having an offsite copy. This means having your data stored somewhere outside of your physical location, just in case disaster strikes your spot. And how do we do this? Well, there are these fantastic cloud storage services like OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, and Backblaze. The choice between these services depends on factors like accessibility and cost. Cloud services like OneDrive and Google Drive give you super easy access to your data from pretty much anywhere, but they might be a tad costlier and could take a bit of time to set up if you've got a lot of data. Now here's the cool part, Backblaze. It's a cost-effective option, especially if you've got large volumes of data. However, it might not be as easily accessible because it involves shipping physical hard drives for your data recovery. But hey, when it comes to large amounts of data, it's a great solution. Now, when it comes to selecting the right backup strategy, it's all about your budget and your business needs. Ideally, going for a 3-stage backup process is recommended. But if that's not doable, at the very least, make sure you prioritize backing up those critical elements. Always, always, always back up your website, especially do this before any significant changes. Usually, the provider where you host your website offers this service. Don't skip it. For your most precious cargo, your computer, you can use built-in software like Windows Backup for Windows machines or Time Machine for Macs. They're straightforward and get the job done. Or if you want some extra features and flexibility, consider third-party software like Acronis. That's what I use. It's software that's like a guardian angel that looks out for your data. It's user-friendly and it helps you protect your important files and systems on your computer. Whether you're on a Windows machine or a Mac, you can schedule backups, recover data quickly, and even store your backups in the cloud for extra safety. It's an all-in-one safety net. Remember, backups act as insurance for your data, ensuring you can recover critical information in case of unforeseen disasters. Testing your backups periodically is essential to verifying the reliability and ensure that you can rely on them when needed. Don't wait until a crisis occurs. Proactive backup practices can save you from a potential disaster.